Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to cash out on Lotsa Slots. Trying to cash out from Lotsa Slots is one of those moments where app throws giant stacks of virtual money at you, and suddenly, your brain starts planning imaginary vacations. Unfortunately, Lotsa Slot is mainly a social casino game, which means the coins and cash you win are usually just virtual credits for entertainment rather than real withdrawable money. I've checked apps like this before, and while they sometimes offer promotional rewards like gift cards or limited time redemption events, there usually isn't a direct bank transfer or PayPal withdrawal system like real licensed online casinos have. So when people mention cashing out, it often means redeeming points for small rewards, vouchers, or event bonuses instead of actual casino winnings. If the game ever does include reward features, they're normally found in the rewards, wallet, shop, or event section inside the app. The important thing to remember is that the huge balances you see are mostly there for gameplay progression and flashy slot machine fun, not for turning into real world cash. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.